creative and fun learning how to make a flipbook animation. One bright Friday morning, amidst the bustling town of Artville, our young heroine Maya embarked on a new adventure. With her sketchbook open and colored pencils at hand, she was about to learn how to make a flipbook animation. First, Maya sketched the initial frame of a friendly character taking its first steps. With each stroke of her pencil, she felt her imagination ignite, imagining the world her character would soon explore. With determination, Maya continued to sketch more frames, each one depicting the character taking another step forward. As she worked, she marveled at how each new scene built upon the last, creating a miniature story within her sketchbook. Feeling confident in her character's movements, Maya decided to add some depth to her animation by drawing backgrounds and details that would transport the audience into the world she was creating. Excitedly, Maya bound the pages of her sketchbook together and, with a flick of her wrist, brought her flipbook animation to life. The character danced across the pages, leaping over obstacles and discovering new lands. Inspired by her creation, Maya proudly shared her flipbook animation with friends at school. Each one watched in awe as the character leaped through the story she had created. Encouraged by Maya's success, several children went home that day to start their own flipbook animations. Days turned into weeks, and the art room at Maya's school was filled with the sounds of pencils scratching against paper as more and more children discovered the joy of creating their own flipbook animations. Together, they learned, shared ideas, and encouraged one another to push the boundaries of their creativity. As the school year drew to a close, each child had completed their own masterpiece. With pride and excitement, they shared their animations with one another. Each time a flipbook came to life, the room erupted into cheers as the audience marveled at the creativity and dedication that went into each project. On the final day of school, the art teacher gathered all the students in the auditorium to watch a special presentation. The children proudly displayed their flipbooks on stage while Maya stood at the front, beaming with pride for all she had accomplished. Throughout the summer, Maya and her friends continued to create and learn from one another. They explored new mediums, shared ideas, and pushed the limits of their creativity. Together, they proved that art could bring people together and inspire endless possibilities. As the school year began again, Maya looked back on the incredible journey she had taken and felt grateful for all she had learned and experienced. With her newfound skills, she was ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead and continue exploring the endless realms of creativity. In the end, the most valuable lessons were not found in the pages of a textbook, but rather within the four walls of the art room. Maya discovered that creativity was an endless journey and that she could learn from others just as easily as they could learn from her. Together, they created memories that would last a lifetime, inspiring future generations to continue exploring the boundless realms of their imagination.